Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Yakuras Moments, and on this video we're gonna check the Xiaomi's Essential Electric Scooter. And big thanks to my friend Yanis for giving us his scooter so we can make this video. Let's start! So today we're gonna check the Xiaomi scooter, see how we can install the app on our phone and how we can use the scooter. Recently scooters became very popular again, especially those ones with the battery. I see people riding those every day, even commuting to work. My friend Yanis is using it every day and he says the battery would last him even 3 days with one charge. He saved money on gas and he don't need to spend his time searching for a parking place. Alright, so the Essential scooter is the entry-level scooter of Xiaomi, however it still carries the same new feature as its bigger brothers, like the new key ERS feature, the cruise control, it's much lighter and it costs €300 here in Cyprus. The scooter is made from high-strength aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and it weighs only 12 kilograms, making it easy to carry. Thanks to ingenious structural design, the scooter can be folded very easy, making it very compact and take up less space. I tried the scooter and it feels very nice. With no effort you can go really fast. The maximum speed you can reach is 20 km per hour and 20 km is the range. Not bad, right? The foam grip is very comfortable and on the middle of the scooter you have the multifunctional dashboard that displays the speed and other ride stats. The power button accepts the turning on and off of the scooter, it controls the speed modes and the headlight. The orange button is the acceleration button, we have one handle brake and a ring bell. The scooter has 3 speed modes, the pedestrian mode that goes with 5 km per hour, the standard mode that goes 15 km per hour and the sport mode that goes at 20 km per hour. The scooter max power is 500 watts and can go up to 10% max climbing angle. Inside the scooter is a high safety power lithium battery that can last you for 20 km for every charge. And it takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge when it's empty. Under regular conditions, the battery can handle more than 500 charging cycles, 0 to 100, and still remain more than 70% of the initial power capacity. To get the best experience and a long battery life, you should avoid usage below 10 degrees or higher than 40 degrees of Celsius, and you should avoid storage below 20 degrees or above 50 degrees of Celsius. So keep it in room temperature will be the ideal. The key ERS system is the kinetic energy recovery system that the scooter has, and this makes the energy conversion more efficient when braking or releasing the throttle and increasing the battery life. By pressing the brake once, you activate 2 brakes. The scooter has an EABS anti-lock brake system for the front wheel and a large disc brake for the rear wheel. Both are activated at the same time, shortening the braking distance, making driving safer. Also, the new generation 8.5-inch pneumatic tires make it go smooth on flat roads, and it's also comfortable to ride it on no paved roads like gravel, dirt roads and grass. The tire pressure is recommended to be checked regularly, and the rear and front inflation can be charged 45 to 50 psi. The max load of the scooter is 100 kilograms, however if your weight is over that limitation, the usage is under your sole responsibility. The scooter is water resistant to a certain level, but not waterproof. Xiaomi is not recommending to drive scooter on rainy days, bad weather, snow and in general on wet surfaces. Definitely not a problem at all here in Cyprus, as I forget when it was the last time when it rained here. The scooter is designed to be used at night also, as it has a taillight, front and side tail reflectors for better visibility, making it easier for others to spot you. Also, there is a headlight with high brightness that reaches 10 meters. The scooter comes with user manual and important information, T-shape Allen key, screws, power adapter and extension nozzle. If you follow the user manual, you'll be able to assemble and set up the scooter fast and easy. At the end you need to fold the handlebar stem up, fasten it, install the handlebar onto the stem and tighten the screws onto both sides of the stem with the Allen key. After, charge the scooter for at least 3 seconds to activate the battery before its first use. Otherwise, your scooter cannot be powered on. Next, you will need to connect the scooter with the Mi Home app. The scooter without being activated will keep beeping when turned on, and its speed is limited to 5 km per hour. So download and install the Mi Home app. The app will find automatically new devices, or you can press the plus button to add a new device. Follow the on-screen instruction in the app to activate your scooter for the first use. The beeping sound will not stop until the scooter is activated. If you want to connect a scooter that already connected to another phone, like in my case, it won't allow you, and you will have the message that the device paired by another user and you have to unpair first. So just follow the instruction and make sure to watch the riding guide video that will pop up with some important information about the scooter and safety. If you close it, it won't activate the scooter and the scooter will keep beeping, so just watch it all. After on the app you can see your current speed if you're moving, the battery level, your average speed and your current trip kilometers. You can also lock the scooter, so if someone moves it, it will start beeping and your phone will vibrate. By clicking the 3 dots on the top right, you accessing the device settings. There you can activate cruise control, and this works if you keep the throttle for 5 seconds. A long beep will be heard, and that means now if you leave the throttle, the scooter will stay riding at the current speed. You can activate the taillight always on or off, low battery notification, and other settings like put a password for the scooter or change the unit settings from metric to imperial to see your speed in miles per hour. At the end, it's a great scooter with nice features that can help you with your transportation and your everyday commute to work. It will save you money, it's fun, and at the end, if the battery finishes, you can always use your legs. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, let's make moments we can never forget.